Hi, I would like to show how to add music to game, in fact to selected level, but with full options. It means how to play it, stop it, resum, change. First of all, I think that this is quite easy. So let's start. First of all, we need add to folder which will contain music. Uh, I will do it in prepared scenario. It means when I pressed 1 on the keyboard, I will play first music. When I press 2, I will play the second music. When I press 3, I will stop playing any music. And also I will have a default value. Music 1, it will be default value. So this is very easy scenario, but I think that it's accomplished with full options, which is used in professional projects. So add folder, the next one. Let's import music. What is very important, it has to be WAV format of these files. Okay, we have music number 1 and number 2. Now we need to add sound cue object. Let's parameterize it. And wave player. Connect the two nodes. Okay, and select first music. I will set looping checkbox because it will be background music. You can check it. Excellent. And do the same with the second one. Also need wave player, connect the two nodes, select the other one, and check in looping checkbox. Save, check it. Very nice music. Okay, and we need to add also one very important object, ambient sound. You can find it in this way. Type simply ambient sound, drag and drop, in fact anywhere. It doesn't matter what is the place of it. Okay, maybe do it again, but going out from this folder. So I would like that it should have the name simply ambient sound. Okay, now we have proper default name, and the default music will be background music number 1. Yes, and what is very important, I will set the focus on it because I need a create reference in blueprint, in our level blueprint. Open level blueprint, create a reference because we need it Okay, first of all, we fire our event when the event begin play. One thing. The other is we need to check the condition if the game is paused, because when the game is paused, we shouldn't play any background music or simply change it. So this is very good habit to check if the game is in pause state. And check the condition. Okay, and from this ambient sound, create the other node, play sound or play audio. This one. Mm, and set this as the default value. And the game is started. Compile, save. Let's check how it works. Okay, everything is okay. So going back to our blueprint. Okay, I think that this is a good idea when I print what the key priest was. Keyboard events. Number one button. The next one. The last one. I think that this is a good idea to print the selected value. So edit. Sorry for that. Okay. And now we need simply to set appropriate sound. First of all, we need to create. No, we have play sound component. We need to set sound. So yes, set sound from this point. It's very important to select appropriate node. Set sound audio component. Okay. And when you press number one on the keyboard, will be this sound. I can copy it or simply duplicate. Number 2, it will be the other music. And when we pressed number 3, we stop this music. Stop audio component, this one. And after set appropriate sound, we play the selected music. And we change the location of it. Okay, I think that it will be more visible after these changes. Compile, save. Let's try how it works. Start the game. We can hear the default music. Now I press 2 on the keyboard. We can hear the music has changed. So perfect. And now I will press number 3 on the keyboard. And the music has stopped. Thank you for watching. Please write any questions in the comment. Bye.